unlocking the secrets of ages past, building character, forging destiny, crafting a legacy through ancient wisdom, illuminating life's path with Masonic insights, shaping your future with timeless lessons, embracing Masonic mysteries for modern success, redefining life's possibilities through wisdom, guiding your journey with Masonic light. Ancient foundations, endless horizons, empowering your story with Masonic wisdom. From symbols to strategies, life lessons unveiled, forging inner strength and Masonic traditions.